Using the Bank of Baroda loan calculator is a straightforward process that can help you determine your loan eligibility and plan your finances effectively. To get started, you need to understand the key concepts involved in the loan calculation process. The Bank of Baroda loan calculator typically requires you to input your desired loan amount, interest rate, and loan tenure. First, you need to determine your loan amount, which is the amount you want to borrow from the bank. Next, you need to know the interest rate, which is the rate at which the bank will charge you interest on your loan. The loan tenure is the time period over which you will repay the loan. To use the loan calculator, simply enter the loan amount, interest rate, and loan tenure, and the calculator will provide you with the estimated monthly installment amount. You can adjust these inputs to see how different scenarios will affect your loan repayment. Best practices for using the Bank of Baroda loan calculator include using accurate and realistic inputs, considering all costs associated with the loan, and evaluating different loan options before making a decision. It is also important to review and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before applying. For example, if you want to borrow $500,000 from the bank at an interest rate of 10% per annum for a period of 5 years, the loan calculator will provide you with the estimated monthly installment amount. You can then adjust the loan amount or tenure to see how it affects the monthly installment amount. By following these best practices and using the Bank of Baroda loan calculator effectively, you can make informed decisions about your loan and plan your finances accordingly. The loan calculator is a valuable tool that can help you navigate the loan application process and achieve your financial goals.